In today's world where time is of the essence, no wonder why everything comes with a certain duration attached to it. Be it your daily targets or your learning objectives, the pressure to achieve them within a specific time frame can be overwhelming. And that's where rapid e-learning accelerators come to the rescue. Let your audience know. That's right. If they won't know something like your e-learning course or program exists, how are they supposed to be a part of it? Right? So put forward the benefits and help them understand why the training is worth their time. The next important step is readiness. After all, it's not a trip to the front gate. Your learners need to be ready, both mentally and physically, to absorb and implement what's coming their way. Who doesn't like a little bit of attention? Isn't it? But let me spill it out for you. Gaining attention and more so, maintaining that attention ain't easy. So put your best foot forward with creative introductions, stats, metaphors, and maybe even a thought-provoking question. Now if I were to discuss instructional design strategies, authoring tools, learning management system, etc., it would be easy if the learners already have a basic understanding of e-learning. In that way, you're leveraging their pre-existing knowledge as a base to build new knowledge on it. Last one on this list is presenting new knowledge. Make sure the information you're presenting to your learners is relevant, informative, and engaging. For that, you can leverage any instructional design strategy like gamification, storytelling, etc., as per your requirement. Wish someone could do this all for you? Well, your dream just came true. Reach out to us to design the most engaging and effective rapid e-learning courses. Before you go, check out the description below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel today.